So, I'm getting ready with my boots. So, yan guys. Pupunta kami sa Uma. Kaya makadaanlag ako ay danlag sa led na. Punami daagin man. Hi everyone. Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. You are watching Abandoned Boy Vlog, and for this afternoon we are here in the farm. And we're stuck over here. Pupunta pa kami doon sa itaas. Ayun ang aming mga sundo. So tara guys, let's go to the farm and escape from this pandemic. Hello guys! Ito po ang buhay probinsya. We really miss stepping on this muddy soil. So we're going there to Amber's Lola. So umulan po kasi ngayon, umahambon, and yeah, we enjoy this a lot. Okay. So doon na anak, ipa-show mo doon. And then okay.
Akan ta na bera. Ura mo lain ta na karya to binal na
Our native pig.
Kanlibo bakal ko ra.
Yung bakal na rin na baboy?
Yung pagwal ko nga. May party ba ka naman nga.
Hi.
Kapatay abot
Native pigs. And there may nandoon pa sa kabila.
Wala mo sa kato dyan pa eh?
Diyan la.
Ganun ba?
We're finally here. So pupunta na tayo sa kubo. Everyone. So at last dito na kami sa bahay kubo ni Lola. Katatapos ng guys namin mag church. So dito lang kami nagsisimba. Sort of Bible study and praise and worship. We have lots of chicken out here and native pigs. What else? And it's so peaceful. Yeah, far from the danger of COVID. Everyone, you are watching Abandoned Boy Vlog, and for today's content, nandito po tayo sa farm. So our farm is not really that far from the town, and it is just some kilometers away, but this place right here is super refreshing and far from stress and from the outside world. So we are in the middle of Kamoting Kahoy. Medyo maputik siya because katatapos lang ng ulan.